USDFI's latest feature brings great value for you, especially if you like trading tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum or others, or even just having some fun with trading. Today we'll take a closer look at how the new perpetual trading works, what benefits it offers, and most importantly, what our tokens have to do with it. Enjoy the video. Before we dive in, if you haven't watched our previous video yet, I recommend you do so first, as I won't be going over all the terms and functions again in this video to keep it concise. Let's jump right into the new function. If you've been following us for a while, you might have an idea of what is this about. We have released a new version of our perpetual trading. If you're thinking, yeah, okay, cool. Hold on, I'll explain why this could be interesting for you. In essence, the functionality hasn't changed much compared to our previous perpetual trading. You can go long or short, increase your trades using leverage trading, or simply trade Bitcoin. So why this update and why do we call it a new function? It's because of our partner who has provided us with this opportunity. Lynx specializes in perpetual trading and has the resources and expertise to build a solid platform. For us, this means that USDFI users benefit from extremely low fees, short block times and sometimes even high yields. But the most important thing for us, you can trade now our native tokens, Stable and USDFI, to trade other tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum or BNB. This brings the first real use case for Stable and USDFI, allowing you to benefit from other tokens without having to sell your USDFI or Stable. So let's get to the point. How do you deposit your tokens here, and what strategy can you use to make perpetual trading as safe as possible? In the previous video I mentioned a strategy that you can use with the new feature. Anyone who has used perpetual trading before knows that it can be very risky, depending on how you configure it. However, there are ways to protect yourself and your trades so that you minimize losses or even avoid them entirely in the worst case. For this, we need both the new and the existing perpetual trading platforms. To break it down, you can earn rewards on both the new and the existing perpetual trading platform by paying attention to which side you place your assets on for the respective token. For example, whether you want to go long or short on Bitcoin. The funding rate plays a key role here. First, let's talk about how to open a position. Deposit your USDFI, Stable or any other token of your choice as collateral. You can either select the token from the list or, if no other token is shown, you can add your preferred token via the Portfolio tab. Simply click on Deposit next to your chosen token, select the amount you want to use for perpetual trading and confirm the transaction. Then you're good to go. Choose the coin you want to trade from the top left and on the right, choose the token you want to add or you want to use as collateral. After that, enter the amount, the leverage and decide whether you want to go long or short. Always remember to set your stop loss and take profit levels. After that, just click on Deposit and confirm the transaction. You'll see a position at the bottom of the table. Of course, just like on other platforms, all important data is displayed live. You can see your leverage, how much capital you have, the stop loss and take profit numbers, as well as the entry and liquidation price. The most important thing is clearly marked, whether you're currently in profit or loss. Next to that, you can share your trading results live or get more details by clicking this button. Here you'll get much more detailed information about your current position. Back in the table, you can also close your position at any time. Just click the Close button and confirm the transaction in your wallet and you'll have your collateral back in your portfolio. Now, let's talk about how you can use the funding rate safely to your advantages. As mentioned before, we need both the existing and the new perpetual platform. As you can see, you can currently take a short position on Bitcoin and receive fees from the platform for doing so. Depending on how you set the view, this is currently around 4% in 24 hours. We can take advantage of this by opening a short position on this platform and securing it with a long position on the other platform. But what exactly happens and how does this protect you? If you go short on the platform and long on the other one, you secure your collateral so that price changes might cause losses on one side, But since a volatile token can go up and down at the same time, you'll make gains on the other platform. This way, your tokens are safe because the loss on the platform is covered by the gain on the other platform. Of course, you still pay fees for opening the trade or for borrowing leverage. Now, the funding rate comes into play. By hedging your trades like this, you pay fees at the percentage shown, but you also earn rewards at the funding rate. For example, if you pay a fee of 0.09% for opening a position and an additional 0.005%, but you earn 0.2% every hour from the positive funding rate, you're still earning rewards and are relatively well protected. Now you also understand why I couldn't explain this strategy in the last video. Because the new platform and its features weren't available yet. However, please remember that you can still lose your money. No strategy offers absolute security. You can only try to protect yourself as best as possible and keep an eye on the numbers. So always be careful not to use these functions too quickly and make sure you understand everything clearly before proceeding. Now, let's move on to something new. We started a trading competition for the new Perpetual Trading platform, where the top 10 traders who actively use the platform will share a prize pool of $1,000 in USDFI at the end of each week. What do you need to do? Just be active. Use the new Perpetual Trading platform and you're automatically participating. In the competition tab, you'll see a leaderboard showing your rank and everyone else's. At the end of each week, the prize pool will be distributed to the top 10 traders or wallets. The goal is to build as much trading volume as possible, either by speculating on price movements or by using the strategy explained today. Every time you provide liquidity and use it, your trading volume increases and you move up the leaderboard. With that said, that's all from me for now on the links Perpetual Trading. Have fun, share your experiences and suggestions for the future with us in the comments and check out the links in the video description. Take care. Best, Benjamin.